Welcome. I'm going to do a demonstration of modified side plank. I'm using a countertop here. So the way that we're going to do this, you're going to start with your hand on the countertop and then just take one comfortable step to the side. You do need to be strong enough to hold yourself up at a small angle. Okay, let the elbow be soft and not locked. And then you're simply going to dip the hip toward the counter and then engage the abs and the hips to bring it back out. So we're going to dip the hip to the side and bring it back out. And go ahead and repeat that as many times as you feel called to. Please remember, we're not looking to come into fatigue. We're simply looking to remind the muscle tissue how to work for us and allow us to be able to move more easily and comfortable. Please do use your candle's breath as you do this. So when you are dipping the hip in toward the counter, exhale candle's breath, take an inhale before you bring the hip, use that candle's breath to stabilize the core as you come back into the starting position. Okay, thank you for joining me. You deserve care.